Hey guys, Dark Horse there. Unlocked Tropical Storm. Like, I did the information thingy, like, right there. Under this chest. Under the news, under the chest. There's another thingy. Now I unlocked Tropical Storm. Now I will try to use him. And yeah. By the way, new season just came out and everyone got their trophy 4,000. I've been doing good so far. Really good. So much better than last time. Okay. Come on, give me an item. Don't you steal my item. Muffles the dark is in my race, I guess. Oi! The best part is, I didn't even use my own information. I used Bright Horse's gun emoji. Oh my god! So that's why I use Bright Horse's email address. I use Bright Horse's birth date and stuff. Ha! Get the fireballs away from me. Oh my. God! No! Oh, that was a close one. Oh man! No way. No, what was that? Oh my god, I'm first! No! No, wait. No, I disconnected!